Home tips to reduce heating bills. These methods will help you keep your home warm effectively. Start by cleaning your radiators. Set them to the highest temperature. In a jug, mix 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent with half a liter of warm water. Place a bowl under the radiator and pour the mixture through it. You'll see dust coming out, making your radiator work more efficiently. For windows, stick bubble wrap using water. It will adhere immediately and serve as extra insulation for the glass. If drafts are coming through the window frames, switch them to winter mode. Adjust the screw in the frame so the smaller dot points to the side. Remember to ventilate the room regularly to prevent mold. If your window frame lacks such a screw, use regular aluminum foil. Line the entire window frame with it and close the window. It will fill gaps and instantly seal the frame. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Place a bay leaf on your radiator, and the effect will surprise you. Bay leaves are not just a popular kitchen ingredient. They also have calming and relaxing properties. Take a few bay leaves and place them on your radiator. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the aroma to be. Once they're in place, turn up the heat. The warmth from the radiator will release a gentle, soothing scent that will fill the entire room. This aroma not only helps you relax, but can also improve focus and create a pleasant atmosphere at home. After a few weeks, the scent of the leaves will fade, and they'll dry out. That's the perfect time to replace them with fresh ones. But don't throw away the dry leaves. When they're completely dry, you can burn them. A bay leaf will catch fire briefly, then smolder, releasing a more intense aroma. This practice is known for its purifying effects on the air and the atmosphere in your home. Try it yourself and experience how a small change can enhance your mood and well-being every day. Soak a cotton pad and wipe down your window frames to get rid of a nasty problem. Wipe even the windowsill. There are several reasons why. Not only do your windowsills and frames become cleaner and regain their bright white color, but the main reason is different. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution has antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, safe for kids and pets. Spray it on your window frames and sills without worry. You can also soak cotton pads and wipe the frames thoroughly. Insects hate the smell of vinegar, and its repellent effect lasts a long time. In the fall, when insects seek shelter, this trick will be your best ally. Just wipe the windows regularly, and insects will stay away. All flying pests will disappear. Plus, your windows will be shiny and streak-free. Don't throw away citrus peels. What I'll show you will surprise you. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support health in various ways. Instead of tossing the peels after eating, save them. Cut them into small pieces and place them in small bowls. Put these bowls on your radiators. As the radiator heats up, the warmth releases a fragrant citrus scent that fills the room with freshness. You can also place the peels directly on the radiator without a bowl. Just lay them peel side down. But this trick has another benefit. It's also a great way to combat dry air in your room. The moisture and natural juices evaporating from the peels help humidify the air. This simple method reuses kitchen scraps while creating a cozy, pleasant atmosphere in your home. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Set your radiator dial like this, and you won't go bankrupt. Everyone wants to pay as little as possible for energy. I'll show you how to adjust the radiator dial and properly set the thermostat. The radiator thermostat allows you to control the temperature in each room. The dial has numbers from 0 to 5, and sometimes you'll see a snowflake symbol. This symbol means that the thermostat keeps the temperature between 6 and 8 degrees Celsius to prevent the water in the radiators from freezing. Number 1 on the dial means a temperature of 12 to 13 degrees Celsius, ideal for garages, basements, or storage spaces. Number 2 represents a temperature of 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, which thermostat manufacturers recommend for bedrooms. Number 3 on the dial corresponds to a temperature between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius, suitable for kitchens, living rooms, and other areas where you don't sleep. The next number, 4, represents a temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius, recommended for bathrooms. Now, you might be surprised, but number 5 indicates a very high temperature of 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, which is not recommended in homes unless absolutely necessary. So, when you want to quickly heat your home, never set the dial to 5. Set it to 3. This way, the thermostat will maximize hot water flow with greater efficiency, helping you avoid high bills.